This morning in Home Solutions, at this time of year, we don't have to worry about snow and ice, fingers crossed. So it's a good time to take a look at the roof over your head and make sure it's ready for when Old Man Winter brings a storm our way. We went right to the experts at Riverhead Building Supply to see what we need to look for to make sure our roof is in good shape to take on the rain, the snow, and yes, the wind. It protects you every day from the elements. But do you really know what shape your roof is in?
Right now it's a good time to take a look at the roof and do an evaluation. First thing I would do is take a look at the downspouts and see if there's granules accumulating at the base. Look inside the gutters. If you've got a lot of granules in the gutters, that would be a sign of shingle degradation.
You may not realize how important they are till it's too late.
Another thing to do is to look at the shingles themselves for missing tabs that would be caused by blow-off because of the wind and weather we have here. Or the other would be look at the tabs and see if they're curled or misshapen, and that's a sign of another kind of degradation. All of these can be done from the ground, and if you want to, grab a set of binoculars and take a look at your roof for a closer look. No need to jump up there and risk your health.
Maybe your roof already has 2 layers of shingles down.
If there's already been one roof over, is what we call it, it's time to take the shingles back down to the original wood deck that they were nailed to. It's a great time to inspect that deck and make sure it needs that's in good shape and doesn't need repair.
Riverhead Building Supply has your roof covered with just the right shingles.
We have the GAF brand and the ICO brand. They're in basically 3 categories. First would be a 3-tab shingle, which is about a 20-year warranty shingle. It's the kind that we've been putting on the houses for a long time. Then there's the next step up is an architectural shingle, which is a laminated shingle. It has typically a limited lifetime warranty. And then there's a luxury shingle that simulates slate and things like this.
Do you have a plan if you do get a leak?
Plan is to take the shingles off and repair the roof deck that's below it. In the houses up here in New England, that can be on a newer house. It could be a plywood deck that just needs a sheet cut out and replaced. In some of the older houses, it could be actual boards that have to be taken up and nailed back down.
They have the experts to get you what you need.
The first thing is an ice and water barrier so that when water freezes during the winter, it doesn't push up onto the shingles and cause a leak. The next layer that would go on would be a roofing felt, which would be either a synthetic or a regular 15-pound felt, and then the shingles over it.
One thing you need, and many times is overlooked, is a good ventilation system, so the roof will last a good long time.
Water can get in through a blow-off or through a defective or a worn-out shingle. If it gets below the roof deck, it can sit there for a long time and start rotting the roof out, and that's the thing you look for underneath. That's the thing it'll cost you don't see.
And you don't want that to happen. Experts at Riverhead Building Supply Company recommend checking the roof now and not waiting until it's too late. If you do see a problem, they can help recommend the right fix for it and get you the tools and supplies that you need. They have 2 locations around Rhode Island, one North Kingstown, the other in Middletown. And if you need more information about Riverhead Building Supply, you can head to our website, WPRI.com, and click on the Roadshow.